Well, this is attempt number 3.
Attempt number 3?
Yeah, this time round to fit a replacement clock spring because the other one died, and the previous 2 suppliers have supplied the wrong part. They supplied by the same part number I request, but it's not the right part. So, oh, that shouldn't even work.
Oh, so maybe you don't need to change it anymore.
No, but that's amazing.
What's
let
wrong
me just
there?
have, no, well, the airbag light flashes.
Yeah?
Wait a minute. See it flashing there?
Yeah?
Yeah, you can see it. Well, that's the main issue. But the horn is obviously
Coming back to life?
But other things don't work. Like, for example, the
Which one?
well, you're supposed to be able to. You see, you're supposed to be able to change the computer down here, and it doesn't work. You're supposed to be able to do the bloody cruise control, and you're supposed to be able to do the radio, and it doesn't do anything to the radio. So the horn is working, but it's the airbag, the cruise control, all these buttons don't work.
So let's see if you can fix it by replacing a
Anyway,
new
like I said, the previous 2 suppliers sent the wrong part. Even though they argued with me and said that it was right, but there it goes.
Okay, you just need to push it underneath the thing, and then it will pop up.
We should be so good at this. We've done about a dozen of them now.
Yeah. So
There we go.
Okay, so that's how you're gonna do it. And now
There you go. Now I need the probably need a smaller one than this, but no, that's all right. Okay. Oh God. There, that's that one. And then I'll take I think that's the horn one. All right, so that's the airbag.
That's the airbag. Okay.
Now, I think I need a 19mm socket there.
So there's a witness mark over there.
Yeah,
Okay.
but I'll just put that down there for now. So we've got to. There you go. I'll now take the nut right off. Can you tell you what to do? Right now, I need a little screwdriver. That little. Jesus Christ! There it is. Jesus Christ! It's so easy, but so hard. Okay. All right, one steering wheel. I don't know if they're talk. Yeah, they're talks.
Push it down.
Trying to up actually. Why was that down anyway? Let's say somebody put that down because it wasn't in my drive position. Maybe that guy that did the... Jesus Okay, now. Now this one here. From experience, we know we can just put that up there, can't we? That's in here, isn't it? And look at that, the right numbers. I don't know about the 017, but certainly these numbers are all correct. Yeah.
Come out.
It goes down there, doesn't it? And then which one came out first, the grey one or the
I'm not sure.
yellow one? Oh, the grey one coming. There we go. Okay. All right, that's in the car. But if you try and buy them separately, they're about $300.
Yeah, all right.
Just got to make sure that's in the right position. Now, once again.
That's the thing that you swap here.
Does that come with that, does it?
I'm not sure.
Yeah, it does. You see?
Yeah.
I thought, God, don't tell me. Okay. It's got to go on that little guide there. Okay, I do. Okay, yeah. Okay, put them in, on, down. Stupid. I should be using the bloody,
The automatic?
no, the bloody little bits that go in the screwdriver handle, you know?
Okay.
That's the steering angle sensor. Oh, I got that in the right way. Yep. I am shaking so much. God. Now, everyone goes. I don't know which one goes first. I guess the yellow one can go first. Righto. And then the grey one. Oh, Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. Okay. Why doesn't that happen? Right. Now. You see there's one on that side too. Okay.
Airbag is out? No.
No.
Yeah, we're not done yet.
No, I've got the airbag hooked
Yeah.
up. Yeah. Okay, so that's that. Oh, you nearly broke it. Okay. That goes through the steering wheel. Okay. Just like that. There you are. Okay. Here's something we do. That's that one. Right, now to put it on and line up the witness marks. That's it, you got it right on the dot there. Okay, so now we'll put in the plugs. Plugs are in. Now we'll do up the nut. Okay, and now the horn doer. I'm rushing it today, which is wrong because everything's harder than it should normally be. Right, let me see. I'm going to see. Still flashing. Still flashing. Still flashing. Yeah. Yeah, okay, that one works. Yeah, that one works. That one works. That one works. That's not sealed properly. It's not possible, it's too far out of view. Oh, you prick, why is it doing that? Let me see if it's... Still flashing.
That's what you said, bagda, no?
It might be the airbag there, but all the other things work.
Yeah.
All the other buttons work, but the airbag thing's still flashing. I wonder if the horn works. No. Yeah, so, and the VDC. Yeah, I think. Yeah, okay.
You didn't much do any difference?
Yeah, all the buttons work, the horn works properly, but the airbag light's flashing. I think it might be a error in the...
Discard the horn because the horn is working with the other thing.
Yeah, only at the end there where I jiggled around.
Yeah.
Remember I jiggled around there? I think this thing might be...
Bugged. That's how you replace your third time clock spring.
Yeah, but anyway, all the other shit works, and I guess the cruise control works.
Ding ding.
Wait a minute. Where does the... Yeah, ding ding. Alright.
Alright. Ding ding.
Put this on that other one.